Getting professional results without hassle is easy with the right electric screwdriver. This versatile and user-friendly tool makes DIY projects and home maintenance a breeze, letting you work efficiently without the limitations of cords. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best electric screwdrivers available on the market and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. If you're interested in seeing the current prices of each of these electric screwdrivers, or if you wish to purchase one, I'll leave the links in the video description and the first comment, so you can check them out whenever you like. We begin with the SKIL SD561-204 electric screwdriver, an ideal tool for your everyday projects. This model stands out with its circuit sensor technology, which safely detects electrical current in outlets and switches, ensuring secure operation. It's incredibly user-friendly, featuring a pivoting head mechanism that makes switching between forward and reverse a breeze. Designed for convenience, this screwdriver comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that keeps it powered for extended periods. You can charge it anywhere using its micro USB port, making it versatile for use in various locations. The dual LED light is another handy feature, providing clear visibility in low-light areas, ensuring you can work with confidence at all times. This tool offers the perfect combination of safety, ease of use, and convenience in one package. If you need a screwdriver that's both practical and efficient for everyday tasks, this model is a perfect fit for your needs. Next, we have the ENER Twist ETCS 8 electric screwdriver, a compact yet powerful tool perfect for any DIY project. With an 8-volt motor delivering a maximum torque of 10 Nm, this screwdriver can handle a wide range of tasks, from fastening to drilling in wood, plastic, and light gauge metal. Its precision clutch allows you to adjust the power according to the application, while its 230 RPM speed ensures efficient and controlled performance. One of the standout features of this model is its 1/4-inch hex chuck, which allows for quick bit changes. The tool is powered by a 1,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, enabling you to drive up to 300 M4 screws 1.6 inches on a single charge, outperforming many competitors in its class. The ergonomic design is another plus, with an adjustable handle that can be set to either inline or pistol grip positions, making it versatile for different tasks. Additionally, the integrated LED light provides optimal visibility in dimly lit areas, making this screwdriver a versatile and easy-to-use option. Weighing just 1.13 pounds and measuring 11 inches in length, it's lightweight and comfortable to use in any situation. Remember that all purchase links with the most up-to-date prices are available in the video's description and in the first comment. On the other hand, we present the BLACK+DECKER LI 2000 electric screwdriver, a compact and versatile tool perfect for working in tight spaces. This screwdriver features a 3-position handle that makes it easy to access confined areas without sacrificing comfort. Its 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery is notable for holding a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring reliable performance whenever you need it. The forward and reverse switch allows for easy screwing and unscrewing, while the spindle lock offers the option to manually screw for added control in delicate tasks. The compact and lightweight design makes it convenient to carry from one job to another, and its ergonomic and streamlined design ensures a comfortable and efficient user experience. The package includes the screwdriver, 2 hex-shank screwdriver bits, and a charger, providing everything you need to get started right away. Combining functionality and comfort, this lightweight and powerful tool is ideal for those seeking a practical solution for their everyday projects. We continue this list with the DEWALT DCF682N1 electric screwdriver, a tool that stands out for its motion-activated variable speed control. This model allows you to adjust the speed from 0 to 430 RPM, making it ideal for fastening in wood, plastic, and light gauge metal, providing precise control during the process. A notable feature is its built-in LED light, which makes working in tight, shadowy spaces much easier. Additionally, the tool's battery status indicator alerts you when it's time to recharge. The 1/4-inch hex chuck enables quick bit changes and is compatible with 1-inch bit tips. The 8VMAX battery offers extended run time and charges in about an hour, though the charger is not included. This versatile and efficient option is perfect for those in need of a cordless screwdriver with speed control and good illumination. Its practical design and features make it a reliable tool for various fastening projects. Next on the list is the BLACK+DECKER BDCSFL 20C electric screwdriver, a tool that stands out for its two-in-one design. This screwdriver not only makes your DIY projects easier, but also doubles as a rechargeable flashlight, perfect for working in low-light conditions. It features a 3-position pivoting handle, allowing you to adjust the work angle for easy access to tight spaces and work in different orientations. Additionally, the built-in LED flashlight provides effective illumination in dark areas, ensuring precision in every task. This screwdriver is also notable for its compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and reducing fatigue during extended use. It operates on a rechargeable 4-volt battery, offering the convenience of cordless operation. The package includes 2 screwdriver bits and a charger, making it a versatile and practical choice for any project. Its ergonomic handle and integrated flashlight make it an excellent addition to your toolbox, especially if you're looking for an efficient tool that also lights up your DIY projects. If you're enjoying the video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Continuing, we have the VASTAR AAVACS electric screwdriver, a versatile tool ideal for DIY projects and home maintenance. This screwdriver features a powerful 7.2-volt motor that delivers up to 320 RPM and a torque of 5.5 Nm, with a maximum of 10 Nm in manual mode. The 10+1 torque settings allow for precise speed and torque adjustments, making it adaptable to various resistances depending on the task. Its simple one-button control makes it easy to use, allowing you to switch between screwing and drilling effortlessly. The 1/4-inch quick-change chuck system ensures rapid bit replacement and keeps them securely in place. Additionally, the forward/reverse switch enhances work efficiency. Equipped with a 2,000 mAh battery, it offers a fast full charge in just 1 hour, enough to handle around 300 standard screws. The integrated LED light helps you work in low-light conditions. The 2-position pivoting handle allows you to use it in pistol grip or inline mode, fitting comfortably in your hand. The flexible extension shaft is perfect for reaching tight spots. This screwdriver comes with 36 bits, an HSS drill bit, a flexible hexagonal shaft, 8 socket wrenches, a magnetic bit holder extension, a nut adapter, a charging cable, and a carrying case. Finally, we present the BLACK+DECKER BDCS 50C electric screwdriver, a perfect tool for those seeking convenience and efficiency in their DIY projects. This screwdriver is equipped with a 4-volt max lithium-ion battery that holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's always ready whenever you need it. It comes with 8 different bits, making it versatile for a variety of tasks. Additionally, its Rod-Hobit rotating cartridge not only stores the bits, but also provides easy access, making your work much more efficient. The integrated LED light is particularly useful for illuminating your workspace, allowing you to work precisely even in low-light conditions. Another handy feature is the onboard magnet, which holds extra screws, enabling you to work hands-free and without hassle. This screwdriver is an excellent choice for those looking for a cordless tool with long battery life, versatility in bit options, and added conveniences like lighting and integrated bit storage. It combines practicality and functionality in a compact and efficient tool. Well, that's all for now. Let us know if we helped you find the perfect electric screwdriver, or tell us which other electric screwdrivers we should include in the next top list. Please give us a like and subscribe for more videos from us. Remember, if you want more information and updated prices for each mentioned product, be sure to check the links in the video description and the first comment. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you next time.